Alright everybody, welcome back to Lightning Outdoors. Today we are doing a crappie fishing unboxing. It's for the most part crappie. I got one thing in there for largemouth that I wanted to try out. But here on Table Rock, where I am, oh yeah, that crawfish this morning got away. If y'all haven't watched part 2, or actually no, this video is going to be in that. I should just get on with this video, shouldn't I? Yeah, probably. Basically, the bass bite, compared to when I was here last time, it's absolutely dead. We've caught 2 bass in the days we've been here. I pulled one. I literally sight fished the thing. My brother pulled another this morning. That was before the boat started sinking. We got the problem fixed. Live well plug blew. Melted. Good point. So we're going to start with our bass thing. I bought some Ledger Rock lures. Can you read that? Yeah, 6.5 inch snakes in green pumpkin candy. Let's see what they are. They're a little ribbon tail. And I have a challenge for you guys. You get this. If you get this YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers, I will ask them to sponsor me. Not 100, 1,000. So, if y'all could do that, that'd be nice. Yeah, just it's in green pumpkin candy, 9 count, and for, I think it was what, $4, $5, something like that. Not bad. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the live well on the boat. Pretty nice. Alright, let's see what else we got. Well, let's just go with the single things and then slowly work our way out. So, I went and I bought a Headhunter crappie diver suspending for, I think it was like $4. It was really cheap. I find it really nice. Little miniature crappie crankbait. It comes in a packaging like that with the back on it, so your bait's not rattling around, scratching itself up. Really cool. I'm going to put this back in the packaging because I'm here on the boat literally just for the unboxing, and then I'm going to go up and eat dinner. Back to the house and eat dinner. But yeah, it's a little suspending crappie bait that dives like 3 feet. I think that's what it says on the back. Yeah, this is Sexy Shadling. 1.75 inch suspending minnow, 3 deep. 3 foot deep. Yeah. Made in Cassville, Missouri. So that is nice. But yeah, so I'm actually going to tune it after this video and then head up because my last unboxing, that is also before this video, yeah, we'll just slide that in the box and slide that over. Most of the crankbaits that I got there actually ran out of tune. I don't appreciate my crankbaits running out of tune. Strike King, I'm talking to you. 2 of the 3 I bought ran out of tune. And then one of my bombers ran out of tune. And it ran the same direction as 2 Strike Kings. So, next I got some B&B American-made baits. 1/16 ounce. Out of Carthage, Missouri. Oh yeah, Ledger Rock's actually made where I am. Yeah, just some simple marabous. Doesn't say what color. White and blue. Back when we get back home, I'm betting those things are going to be absolutely killer. Oh, and guys, by the way, I have so many marabous. It's, like, ridiculous. And I'm pretty sure they're actually B&Bs. Just because of location. Next, I bought some Bobby Garland. Yes, I've already opened literally a good bit of this stuff. Some Bobby Garland Hyper Grubs. Sorry guys, I'm trying to read this for the camera. 2 inch length, solid body, super hyper tail action. Recommended jig hitch 1/24 up to 1/8. Made in Guatemala. 18 pack for a couple of bucks. I always find it hilarious how on the back of soft plastics it says, not for human consumption. What idiot ate one of these? Come on, tell me, please. I want to know. This is too funny. But yeah. So, panfish bite's not been bad, guys, but bass bites like that. Next, we're getting into the... Alright. Come on. Where are you? There. Terminal. I bought some fin spins from, what is it, Leyland's or something like that? Yeah, Leyland's Lures, Fin Commander. Yeah, just basically some road runners. Not bad. Manufactured in Arkansas, I think. No, China. They're from Arkansas. Next, we got some Mr. Crappie by Strike King. Just some 1/8 ounce jig heads to go with something you're going to see in a moment. But those will also work on them Bobby Garlands. So yeah, I got those. Then I got some Headhunter. As I mentioned earlier, Headhunter. 1/32 ounce chartreuse jig heads to actually originally go with the Bobby Garlands. Now that I'm thinking about it, these are too bite. I didn't think that through. Now I have a bunch of jig heads that are supposedly useless. I'm joking, guys. There's always one more pack. Now that's all. 270 crappie tubes. These packs here, 10-pack, 25 cents. This pack, 100-pack for $8. It was cheaper just to buy 10 of these, but I mean, they didn't have these color, so I don't regret my purchase. Yeah, let's just scoot some of these out of the way so y'all can see what I got. So I got like this natural red silver color. That's going to be really good. I only got 1 pack of these. I got 5 packs of the other one. Yeah, I just accidentally... I had grabbed 2 packs of these, but then I threw back 4 packs of everything, or 1 pack of everything, because I had 4. I didn't realize I had 5 colors, not 4. Yeah, so y'all get the point. I only got 1 of those. I got 3 packs of this color, which, yeah, don't know what to describe that color as, but nothing fancy. Oh, there's like different colors in there, like different tones. I got this color. See, I don't know what to call any of these colors. If y'all got any idea, link down in, or leave that in the comments. I obviously got black and blue. That's just a staple. And then I got, I had the packaging top here with me. Does it say what color? Alright, that's convenient. Silver Chart. From, what is it? Little Hustler. Crappie Tubes. SouthernPro.com. Made in the USA. Not bad. Good job. But yeah. So I got a 100-pack of those. But yeah, that's the end of this unboxing. So basically, guys, I shouldn't need to buy any baits for quite a while, crappie tube wise. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. But thank y'all for watching. Click subscribe. Do all the other cringy stuff. Happy days. Good fishing. My regular intros are, or extras, or whatever you call them, they aren't actually very regular at all. Oh, by the way, have I told you guys the story about... Yeah, no. If y'all want to hear me do a story video, click subscribe or like or something. I don't know. Get 5 likes on this video and I'll do a story video. But that's all for now. Wait for it to hit 10 minutes, and